everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are making my mama's squash casserole. I think you are going to really like this one. Let's get started on today's video.
First you need to dice up 2 yellow squash. Add water to cover and a pinch of salt. You're going to boil your squash until tender. I also added in a little bit of fresh cracked pepper.
So the other day my mom sent me this recipe. I don't ever remember having it. I may have, but it looks really good. And she sent it to me so I could share it with you guys. She's really been enjoying my channel and some of the videos I'm putting out. I've told y'all before, my mother is a phenomenal cook. So we've got our 2 cups of squash that we cooked. I went ahead and added in half a stick of butter. And I will put the recipe in the description below. All right, I've got 1 medium onion that I've finely chopped up. We've got 2 cups of prepared cornbread. Now you can make your own, or you can buy store-bought cornbread. Do whatever is easiest for you. It is hot here in Southeast Texas, and my gosh, we want to do stuff that's easy, right? So to this, I'm also adding 1 can. Mom's recipe called for cream of chicken. I had a can of cream of chicken and mushroom. My mother's not a huge fan of mushrooms, but we like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use that. This really is just a dump and go recipe, guys. And then we're gonna put some salt, pepper, and garlic on it. A little bit of cayenne, you know, my house mix. All right, I'm also going to, which is not in Mom's recipe, some of my green chili, my green ancho chili powder. Just a shake or 2. Maybe half a teaspoon. All right, give this a mix. Then I've got a baking dish here that I'm going to, you can butter or spray. Just I'm using avocado spray. You just want to make sure to, whatever you use, that it's well sprayed. We're going to turn our oven on to 400. Let that get hot. While that's getting hot, we'll put our mixture into our baking dish. And I'm using a 9 by 13. Make sure it's spread out evenly into your pan. We're gonna pop this in the oven and cook it 25 to 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. All right, we're gonna get this in the oven. We'll see you back in a minute when it's all baked up and gorgeous, and we'll try it. Okay, our casserole has come out of the oven. We're gonna just take a little bite right here. Give this a try. Don't want to mess up Kendra's thumbnail or anything. Let's give this a try. Like I said, I don't think I've ever ate this before, but it sounded good. That really is good. It's got a great flavor to it. The squash is tender. It's just good. I hope y'all give this a try. This is my mom's recipe, and my mom's not a bad cook, so hey, do me a favor, in the comment section below, let me know if you have ever tried a corn casserole. I'd love to know. Love your feedback. Please give this video for my mama a thumbs up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, right here waiting on you, I've got some South Carolina barbecue wings. Be sure to check that video out, and we'll see you guys on the next video.